Hello everyone, Miss Lily here, and here is our direct instruction video. So for the independent practice, what you're going to do now is you're going to, now that you've kind of identified what kind of procrastinator you might be, let's see if that's actually accurate. So you're going to fill out two short graphic organizers. The first one is you're putting in something I usually put off during the school year is, and then label, maybe that's homework, maybe that's doing the do now, maybe it's getting to school on time. I mean, it could be a number of things. You're going to give me an honest answer as to why, like were you binge watching Netflix? It happens to me, happens to a lot of people, and that's okay. The point of this is not to like judge you or shame you or tell your parents what you're doing. Like that's not my purpose here. My purpose here is for you to understand what are the common reasons you get into those cycles. So be honest, because this is mainly for your benefit. I'll just be looking for completion here. And then the last one is what procrastination reason might that fall under? So what I'm saying here is I want you to refer to the do now, where like reason 8, you don't have enough time or you don't know how to get started. So just, you don't have to give a lengthy explanation as to why, just give me what category you think it falls under based on these 8 reasons people put off work and procrastinate. Okay, so that's what you're putting in the final doc. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to just reflect on your year. What is something you put off during the year? Then you're going to go down and you're going to fill this one that was something maybe you put off within the last week. Now I know we haven't had like a ton of stuff we've been doing this last week because we had a half week. So if you want to include like maybe your mom asked you to do a chore and you put it off, or it's preferable that it's assignment, but you can put responsibilities as well. So again, what was the thing you put off? Name it for me. You put this off because, and just be honest with yourself, I'm not judging. I'm very much a procrastinator, which is why I like doing these types of assignments. Help identify my reasons. And then what category it might fall under. Don't put an explanation. Just put like number 4 or number 8. Whatever category you think it falls under. Okay, then the last thing that you're going to do is mastery check, which is actually kind of like a homework because you'll need to work on it throughout the week. And then you're going to turn it in, actually not by Friday, sorry. That was a mistake. You're going to turn it in by Tuesday. So this is just to help you track like how you work on things throughout the week. So main points for today is like identify your own individual reasons for procrastinating and then begin tracking when and why you procrastinate. So I'm going to real quick pull up the tracker so you know what this looks like and where to find it. So this will be its own assignment in itself due next Tuesday. So here you're going to fill out the tracker below. If you find that you're procrastinating on something, try to immediately record it here. So aim to record at least 1 instance per day between Wednesday and Tuesday. I would like you to have a minimum of 5 instances. So say like maybe you didn't procrastinate one day, but then you did the next 3 days. It's okay if you're missing a day. I want 5, at least 5. Because we all have things we get distracted by that we put off. And you're not really going to know why you do that until you start recording it. It's very eye-opening, okay? So you need to have at least 5, but if you are like a chronic procrastinator like Ms. Lily, you can feel free to add as many as you want, okay? So again, we're going to use this next Wednesday to look at like what are the most reoccurring reasons. I think for me, like one of my most reoccurring things that will probably be put in all these boxes is I get distracted by my phone so much. Facebook, Instagram. I mean, I even like check the weather when I'm trying to put off assignments. So. All right, you guys, if you have any questions, drop them in the chat or drop them in my template. And good luck. Please have this turned in by Tuesday the 21st. Make sure that's the right day. Yeah, Tuesday the 21st.